77% solar panel looks like. And AC width at 400. Welcome back to another video. Today we have the ALLPOWERS R1500 power station and the solar panel. Big shout out to ALLPOWERS for sending us these tools. They are not paying us for this video, so we can test it for you guys, see if it works or see if it doesn't work. I'll leave the links down below in the description section of this video. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell. Don't forget to follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. So basically, alright, so we got 1152 watt hour capacity. Does have an 1800 watt pure sine wave inverter, 3000 watt peak. So you guys know what that means. It can power some serious appliances, including ACs and all that. Got maximum 1500 watt AC input, 0 to 80 within 45 minutes. Use this as a backup if you're doing a computer, if you're working on a computer and your lights go out. It does have 5 milliseconds for it to act as a backup. Long life PO4 battery with over 3,500 charging cycles. Expandable 3 times B1000 expansion battery. Weight 16.7 kilograms, which is 36.8 pounds. This is actually not the lightest unit. It is 16.25 inches by 12.28 inches. So first thing we got is some cables. This is a charging cable. A booklet here, or a big envelope. See, got some instructions. Big thick book. Regular car cigarette lighter. We do have a DC output. This is for your USB Type A, 18 watts. You got a USB Type C, which is 100 watts. We got press DC buttons, 3 seconds to on and off Bluetooth. It says you got the power button there. It says pure sine wave AC output 100 to 120 volts. This is to turn on this circuit. This is to turn on this circuit, this one, and that one. We got a plug right there, just a household plug, and another one. So you got total of 4. We do have some nice ventilation there. So you got 2 different plugs right here. It says expand battery port 2, expand battery port 1. We do have a serial number, all the specifications, which is the left side. We do have solar car input, 12 to 95 volts, overload protection, and then we have AC charge, 100 to 120 volts, 15 amps max. Reset button right there, and obviously that's where you charge it. On the bottom, it does have rubber feet. You have 2 wireless ports. You hold it, it's 77%. You got watt inputs, 0. You got watt outputs, 0. Let's throw it in here. There it is. It takes a while. So it's 3 watts 6 for that. So it tells you the output there for this. We got 0.02. This is the time that this actually current draw will last. The percentage of the battery, what's left. All you have to do is push the button. The screen goes away. If you want to turn this off, the whole thing shut off, you have to hold it. Alright, so this is the solar panel. It does come with a really nice case. I really like that. Very portable. It does have a carry handle here. It does come with wires and adapters. Alright, so this come with MC4 solar panel connectors. With the yellow connector that this power station gets, and the MC4 instruction manual. Have different power stations with different adapters for it to stand up. Alright, so that's what the solar panel looks like. So 62% on this. And AC with my thoughts. It's 400 watts output, 54 watts input. So it's able to charge and feed that AC as it's charging. There, 5000 BTU at 423 watts. 53 watts inputs. So it's going to be charging back and forth. My guess it's going to be draining more battery than what it's going to be charging, because obviously we're ramping up to that 300 or 400 watts. And it's only receiving 53 watts from these solar panels. So then again, guys, if you guys want to do the math, basically, this ALLPOWERS power station will run this AC for about a little bit more than 2 hours, because it is a 1000 watts watt hour battery. It's more than 1000 watt hours. So also you're going to be running this AC for around 2 hours. That's if you don't have solar panels. If you have 400 watts of solar panels, you're probably going to be able to run this AC pretty much all day as long as you have solar. Same thing with your power tools. If you have your Milwaukee's, your DeWalt's power tools in your truck, you're going to be able to have a solar panel like this. I would definitely get a 400 watt solar panel or a 200 watt minimum, and you're going to be able to charge your batteries pretty much all day as long as you have sunlight. So it really does come down to what you're going to be powering this for, or what you're going to be charging this with. If you're going to be using this for camping, this is a great item. You can get up to 400 watts of solar panels. That means you can power basically 400 watts of free energy to anything, maybe a small AC or a light or fan, whatever. So that's really good if you could do the math. But anyways, do recommend this brand. I actually had the smaller version of this for over a year already. I do have the review on my channel. I'll see if I can link it up above it. It's actually been working great. These are great quality power stations. Also, don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell. Don't forget to follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.